Welcome back to another new exciting video, guys. Alibaba Cloud just released their new coding plan, and this coding plan starts from $3. And with this $3 coding plan, you are getting access to Kimi K2.5, GLM5, and Minimax M2.5, and all of that Qwen 3.5 variants model. So what is the advantage? Here you see that with this $3 plan, you are getting maximum of 18,000 requests per month, and this is a huge request that you will get. And here you see that this $3 promo price unlocks daily at this time. So basically they have published one post, and there they mentioned that daily 9 p.m. if you come to this website, then you can get access to this $3 plan, and this is a first come first serve. So here you see that currently I am making this video at this 9:59, that means around 10 p.m. but here you see that I am getting access to this $3 coding plan. Now this is for the first month, and after this first month you will be charged to this $10. Now the advantage you will get, so you see here, if you take this GLM5 coding plan separately, then $10 you need to pay, and if you take this Minimax M2.5 coding plan, then you need to pay $10. So for this GLM $10, and Minimax it is $10, and also if you take this Kimi K2.5, then it is again $10. So you are getting all of this model access under this Alibaba coding plan with one $3 for the first month, and after that you need to pay only $10. Okay, and also you are getting such a huge request per month. So if you just click on this, then you will find this page, and here you see that for the first month checkout it is showing me $3. Now you can buy this. Okay, now this is the advantage that this Alibaba coding plan is giving, and also it supports mainstream programming tools like Claude, and also it supports the latest code generation model and Qwen 3 Coder Plus. Okay, so all of this capability that you will get under this, and you see that it is fully supported on Cline, Claude, and Qwen code, right? So this is a new coding plan that they have released, and I think you should definitely go with this coding plan. And if you are taking separate coding plan for GLM and Minimax M2.5, then you should definitely switch to this one coding plan. Under this one coding plan you will get all of this top model access, because you see that in some cases GLM5 are better, and in some cases Minimax M2.5 are better. So you need both of these two model, but if you want to use that, then you need to take the different separate coding plan. But here you will get this all of this top model access under one coding plan. Okay, so this was the simple news that I wanted to share with you guys. If you found this video helpful, if you want to get this type of videos more, don't forget to subscribe this channel, don't forget to like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.